Now children, this 7th question you have to do yourself. Okay, try it yourself. Now see the 8th part. 8th question, first part. We have x raised to the power a plus b whole power a minus b. X raised to the power b plus c whole power b minus c. X raised to the power c plus a, and this whole power has c minus a, and we have to prove that this whole should be equal to 1. Got this? Now children, there is one formula that if a plus b into a minus b, if we open the brackets, look here, if we want to open the brackets, we multiply this a in this whole bracket. Okay, like this. If we multiply a into a, it will be a into a, it will be a square. Okay, and if this a multiplied by b, it will be minus, don't forget the signs, it will be minus ab. Okay, then now we have to multiply the same as in b. If we multiply b into a, it will be plus ba, and if we multiply this b into this b, it will be minus b into b square. Okay, it will be minus because plus minus minus. Then this is ab positive and this is ab negative, then this will be cut. What is left? Only a square minus b square. So this is the formula, that if a square minus b square is equals to a plus b and a minus b. Got it? If we open this, we will get this only. So can we write this a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square? Yes. This b plus c, b minus c, b square minus c square, and this c plus a, c minus a is equals to c square minus a square. Now we apply the law. If bases are same, we add the powers. It will be x whole x raised to the power a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. Okay, then again, if one is of plus sign and one is of negative sign, we will cancel them. Same, this also will be cancelled and this also. What is left? X raised to the power 0 equals to 1. Okay, LHS is equals to RHS. Got it? Now try this second and third part yourself. Okay, now I will tell you the fourth part. X, this part. Okay, let us see. X raised to the power a square. This whole has x has power a square, and this whole has power 1 upon a plus b. Okay, x raised to the power b square upon x raised to the power c square, and this whole has power 1 upon c. Same, x raised to the power c square upon x raised to the power a square, and this whole has power 1 upon c plus a. And we have to prove this whole is equal to 1. Now see, now we will add the powers. First of all, we will this is in division. So what we will do, remember law 2, that if powers are in division and bases are same, we subtract the powers. This law, x raised to the power m upon x raised to the power n equals to x m minus n. It will be x raised to the power m minus n. Same we have done here only. X raised to the power a square minus b square, and this whole has power 1 upon a plus b. In this also, x raised to the power b square minus c square, and this whole has power 1 upon b plus c. Same in this, x raised to the power c square minus a square, and this whole has power 1 upon c plus a. Now what we will do, the law that is that x raised to the power m whole power n, what we do, multiply the powers. So same here also, x raised to the power a square minus b square into 1 will be a square minus b square upon a plus b. B square minus c square upon b plus c, and c square minus a square upon c plus a. Okay. Now what is the formula? I have told you in previous question that a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. Remember, you have to learn these. So x, a plus b, a minus b. Can we write this a square minus b square like this? Upon a plus b. Same x square minus x, b plus c, b minus c upon b plus c, into x, c plus a, c minus a upon c plus a. Then this a plus b will be cancelled from this b plus c will be cancelled from this, and this c plus a will be cancelled from this. What is left? X, a minus b, x raised to the power b minus c, x raised to the power c minus a. Okay. Then which law we will apply it? That if powers are in multiplication and bases are same, we will add the powers. Okay. A minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. This will be cancelled because one is of positive and one is of negative. Then what is left? X raised to the power 0 equals to 1. And this. Okay. Now see the ninth question. X, this we have to prove is equals to 1. Okay. Now see, this x raised to the power a upon x raised to the power b whole power this x raised to the power b upon x raised to the power c and whole power b square plus bc plus c square. This equals to 1 we have to prove. Okay. So again, this law in which we have done in previous question, that if powers are in division and bases are same, we will subtract the powers, that a minus b, and this will be remain same. In this also we will do x raised to the power b minus c. Okay. And this will remain same, x raised to the power c minus a, and this will be remain same. You have to state it the law here. Okay. Don't forget to state it the law. Then one more formula is there, children, that if a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b and a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. So if we open this formula like this, a square minus a square plus ab plus b square. See, if we multiply this a into a square, it will be a cube. Okay. This a into a plus a square b plus ab square, a into b square, ab square, minus a square b, again minus ab square, again minus b cube. Okay. This a square b is of plus and this a square b is of minus. This ab square is of plus and this is of minus. So what is left? A cube minus b cube. So this is the formula, that a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square is equals to a cube minus b cube. So we have here same condition. This same condition we have. So can we write this as a cube minus b cube? Isn't it? Like this. Okay. And this whole as b cube minus c cube, and this whole as c cube minus a cube. Got it? So once again we have to apply the law, that if bases are same and powers are in multiplication, we have to apply law 1, in which we add the powers. Okay. X, a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. This whole will be cut because of opposite signs, and what is left? X raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. Hence we have proved that LHS is equals to RHS. Okay. Now children, you have to do these questions in your fair notebooks. These also. Okay. These also. Don't leave these questions which I have explained you. those also you have to do, and same like this. Okay, same you have to do these parts. Okay, then rest of the questions we will do in next class. Okay, you have to only do from 6 question till 9. Got it?